breakfast is served. Have some quiche. We are living the life. Have the Keurig. The microwave just heated up our breakfast. We got some beggars over there.
Yeah, check out those two faces.
How's the quiche?
It's really good.
None for you.
I think they're wondering where their piece is.
Oh, we're getting ready to unhook and go explore the area. We're in Shoshone, California. The sun is out. It's probably 40 degrees right now and the wind's blowing. But it's warming up. This is our view. All right, loaded up. Scamp is secure. We're headed to Tecopa Hot Springs and then the China Ranch Date Farm. Should be a fun day. So we're at Delight's Hot Springs in Tecopa, and it is $30 a person for a day use pass, and you can come and go as much as you like throughout the day. They have 3 open private bathrooms. This is number one that I'm in right now. Number 4 is closed. There's also a nice outside area with the warm springs fed pool and several smaller tubs outside. And Tecopa Brewery is on site also with a good looking menu. We'll have to check that out. Enjoying a soak. That feels good. We just finished having a good soak and we're all relaxed now. Had a bite of lunch. We're at Delight's Hot Springs in Tecopa, California. We were just here for a little while. You can get a day pass for $30 a person and have access all day to the pool area out back or the private hot tub rooms, which is what we did. And it's worth it. I highly recommend it.
Well, we finally made it to the date farm. We've been talking about it for so long. We're finally here and we each have a date shake in hand.
Let's get a close-up of that deliciousness. All right, first bite.
Which is going to be a nice, cool treat after the hot spring soak.
Let me know, how is it?
Oh, It's every bit as good as I thought it was going to be.
I'm digging in. I can't wait.
This is the world famous date shake. It is everything I expected and more. Oh my God.
And what else did you get in the bag there, Angel?
Fresh and warm from the oven. Date nut bread.
I think I saw a couple of big ass cookies in there.
Oh yeah. One for you and one for me. Date chocolate chip cookies. These weigh about a pound.
You could use that as a doorstop.
And some homemade salsa fresca. And some fresh local honey.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, we went down to China Ranch Date Farm and had a date shake and filled up on cookies and other goodies for tomorrow. And now we are back at the Tecopa Brewery, and Dan's gone inside to get some barbecue for us and a couple of growlers, so we'll be all set. We're gonna make it back to camp right about sunset. Beautiful sunset this evening underway.
And with the 16-footer, you can actually take like 4 or 5 steps inside, whereas before, you basically had to do everything from one standing position. Whether you're in the kitchen or getting into the bed,
One person at a time.
Going out the door, you really had one spot. There was no way to really take a step. Whereas now you can move around a little bit. So
it's better. It's so much better. The old man is snoring.
think she's hunting voles, except for they're protected. But she sure smells lots of... Oh, all right, doggy bag.